Hello! Today I'm going to share 7 toxic-free, natural and organic teas to consume instead of the conventional ones. So I've done a video on natural and organic teas in the past, but it doesn't hurt to revisit this topic and expand on it to include additional options. As you know, new products are constantly entering the market, while others are leaving the market. And with a growing number of people concerned with their health, especially regarding the safety and quality of the things they consume, there are sure to be more products such as teas popping up in the future. In fact, if you know of other natural and organic tea brands not mentioned in this video, please share them in the comments. So, as I share these 7 natural and organic tea brands, I'm not saying throw out your current selections and buy these ones immediately. This video aims to serve as a resource to utilize when you're in the market of replacing your current tea that you have concerns about, or simply when you're in the market to buy tea. If you feel it's important to get rid of what you have and make the replacement now, due to health concerns and interest, and you have the means to do so, then I support your decision to do that. So, tea, simply put, is a hot beverage that involves brewing leaves, herbs, flowers, even dried fruit. It can also be cold, made into iced tea. Tea has long been known as a healthy drink because it is generally a combination of dried plants. But surprisingly, if you look at the ingredients of many popular brands such as Bigelow, Celestial Seasons, Tazo, a common problematic ingredient you'll find is natural flavors. I want to emphasize that this ingredient tends to be present in a lot of herbal teas, especially the fruit varieties. But not all the teas within a brand will have questionable ingredients. For instance, Bigelow's Cozy Chamomile only has one ingredient, which is chamomile flowers, but they also have a ginger peach turmeric tea that has natural flavors. So reading ingredients really does matter. You can't make assumptions by just the brand alone. To understand why natural flavors is a problem, check out this video on natural flavors here on the screen. Another issue is the actual tea bag. There has been talk over the years about the quality and safety of paper tea bags. Researchers have noted that some tea bags are treated with chemicals that are considered to be potential carcinogens. There's also been concerns of pesticide contamination as well as other particles entering the bags during processing. Many have advised that when consuming tea, go for biodegradable, plastic-free bags, organic or non-GMO. I would like to add to study the brand to see if they are eco-friendly. Most times, if they are, they will have information on their website discussing how they source and produce their tea, including the packaging. Also consider loose leaf tea, which will eliminate the bag issue. Okay, I've talked long enough about this. Let's get to these 7 natural and organic tea brands. First is Numi. Numi is an organic tea brand. They sell bagged teas, loose teas, and accessories such as teapots and tea filters. They use 100% pure ingredients, so their fruits are real, flowers are real, and spices are real. You won't find the words natural or artificial attached to their flavorings. Their selection includes black, green, and herbal teas, as well as some hot cocoa varieties. By harvesting fuller leaves, each cup of tea has a smooth and rich flavor. A notable thing about this brand is they hand pluck their leaves. They are not machine picked. They are fair trade certified, partnering with farmers across the globe to obtain the highest quality ingredients and maintain ethical standards. Their chamomile lemon tea is a floral and citrus tea that's caffeine free. It's non-GMO, organic, and consists of 100% pure ingredients. The tea bag is compostable, made from a plant fiber called manila hemp cellulose. The bag is also non-GMO, unbleached, the tag is recyclable, and uses soy-based inks, and the string is cotton. Here are their ingredients. Current prices for an 18-count box is around $7.99. You can purchase Numi tea online, such as from their website and Amazon, as well as grocery stores like Whole Foods and big box stores like Target. Second is Rishi. Rishi is a premium tea brand that sells loose and bagged teas. They offer black, green, and herbal teas as well as matcha. Their tea and botanicals are sourced from global growers, with many flowers inspired by ancient artisans. They're not only premium, but their teas are organic and innovative, offering flavors not found among other tea brands. For example, their elderberry healer tea is a caffeine-free herbal tea with fruity notes. It's organic and kosher. Their tea bags are plant-based and food-safe using a material polylactic acid, PLA. On their website, in the FAQ page, they talk about PLA as well as other valuable health information regarding their teas and tea bags. But going back to the tea, here are the ingredients. Current prices for a 15-count box is around $10. You can purchase reishi tea online, such as from their website and Amazon, as well as grocery stores like Whole Foods and big box stores like Target. Third is traditional medicinals. This tea brand centers on the power of healing herbs. The brand was founded by herbalists and environmentalists, two people who sought a healthier alternative to conventional healing practices. They believed in natural foods, including herbs, to remedy common health issues. One of this brand's strengths is working with global growers and sourcing communities to obtain the most optimal ingredients for their natural and organic teas. For example, their organic spearmint tea is caffeine-free, non-GMO, organic, and kosher. It's sourced from organic farmers in Egypt. These herbs are fully tested, ensuring identity, purity, and composition. Their wrappers are industrially compostable, with their tea tags Forest Stewardship Council FSC certified, cotton string non-GMO, and tea bags compostable, non-GMO, and from sustainably harvested abaca fiber and wood pulp. A lot for packaging, but definitely positive to hear. However, let's not forget the ingredients. Only one pure ingredient for this variety, simple as that. Current prices for a 16-count box is around $5.99. You can purchase traditional medicinals tea online, such as from their website and Amazon, as well as grocery stores like Whole Foods, drugstores like Walgreens, and big box stores like Target. Fourth is the Republic of Tea. This brand is over 30 years old and is dedicated to sourcing the finest ingredients for their teas from the most sought-after global gardens. They specifically offer teas, herbs, cups, and bottled iced teas. Each of their teas comes in unique packaging, airtight, light-resistant tins. They reduce waste by not using envelopes, strings, tags, or staples. Their tea bags are also unbleached. One notable thing about their teas is that they're gluten-free. For example, the decaf People's Green Tea is made from a chemical-free, CO2 high-pressured process to optimize flavor and quality. Here are the ingredients. Current prices for a 15-count container is around $14.50. You can purchase the Republic of Tea online, such as from their website and Amazon, as well as grocery stores like Whole Foods. Fifth is Celestial Seasonings. This brand started as a herbal tea company in the late 60s, early 70s. Today it has expanded greatly, now offering black, herbal, green, wellness, and cold brew iced tea, utilizing 100+ ingredients from over 35 countries. Though not all their teas are free from crushable ingredients or are organic, they do have organic varieties and teas with simple identifiable ingredients. Their packaged in paper boxes are recyclable, using no strings, staples, tags, or individual wrappers to reduce waste. Their teas don't have artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, though they do have natural flavors in some of them. Again, to understand this topic better, check out the video on natural flavors and the ingredients to avoid playlist on this channel. For example, their chamomile tea is non-GMO and caffeine-free. It's a blend of the best chamomile flowers found globally. Here are the ingredients. Though not organic, with only one natural ingredient, it's a great conventional option you don't have to worry about when it comes to consuming obvious toxins. Current prices for a 20-count box is around $5.79. You can purchase Celestial Seasonings tea online, such as from their website and Amazon, as well as health grocery stores like Whole Foods, general grocery stores like Club Foods, big box stores like Target, and drugstores like Walgreens. Six is Yogi. This brand is all about wellness, and their teas are designed to accomplish that. All their teas are made with nature in mind, from plant blends that address various health ailments and concerns, such as relieving stress, relaxing the mind, and promoting sleep. This also extends to the planet. This means working with farmers and growers worldwide, adopting sustainable behaviors and producing eco-friendly, plastic-free packaging. Not only do they make quality tea that's healing as it is enjoyable, but supporting the planet through sustainability and social responsibility. Their tea bags are natural, made from high-quality manila hemp fibers and wood pulp, which don't have plastics, chemicals, or other toxins. Their products are gluten-free, GMO-free, and free of many allergens such as tree nuts, peanuts, milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, wheat, and soy. For instance, their comforting chamomile tea is caffeine-free and considered a herbal supplement designed to ease tension. Other benefits is this tea helps you unwind from a stressful day and supports healthy sleep. Ingredients are ethically sourced and is compostable, including the tea bag and packaging. Here are the ingredients. Current prices for a 16-count box is around $6.99. You can purchase yogi tea online, such as from their website and Amazon, as well as health grocery stores like Whole Foods, general grocery stores like Cup Foods, big box stores like Target, and drug stores like Walgreens. 7th is Tea Pigs. This brand makes sustainably sourced tea. Using only high-quality ingredients like leaves, herbs, berries, and spices, their tea is completely natural with no artificial flavors. Their tea is whole, not grounded, such as utilizing whole flowers, berries, spices, something you can see intact. Just as great, their tea comes in large biodegradable mesh bags. Full flavor, they've won over 152 Great Taste Awards to date. For example, their lemon and ginger tea is caffeine-free and also free of dairy and gluten. Plus, it's vegan. Here are the ingredients. Current prices for a 15-count container is around $9.99. You can purchase Tea Pigs tea online, such as from their website and Amazon, as well as health grocery stores like Whole Foods and big box stores like Walmart. I haven't tried all of the products featured in this video, but I've tried most. In fact, 5 of them. They are Numi, Rishi, Traditional Medicinals, Celestial Seasonings, and Yogi. In sum, I have nothing bad to say about the teas I've tried. Of course, the flavor you choose will ultimately influence if you prefer one tea brand from another. From all of the brands that I've tried, I've gone for mint flavors, fruit flavors, and classic herbal flavors like chamomile, ginger, and turmeric. For Numi, I like that it's organic and their packaging and bags are eco-friendly and harmless in terms of questionable toxins that may make up the products. I've mainly tried their turmeric varieties and enjoy them. I would certainly buy from this brand again. For Rishi, I've tried their elderberry, blueberry, and turmeric tea. Honestly, I've only liked the blueberry, but again, this comes down to preference. For their turmeric tea, it has a sweet aftertaste that I didn't prefer. For Traditional Medicinals, I've tried their turmeric and others which I can't remember at the moment. I enjoyed their tea as well and would buy from this brand again. For Celestial Seasonings, I've tried their chamomile tea, which is a staple for me. I always have a box around and use it sometimes to relieve a stomach ache. It's the most accessible tea for me since it's widely available in stores. And for Yogi, I currently have a box in my pantry, but I haven't tried it yet, so I can't personally speak on its healing effects that their teas are known for. But I know people who say that they're effective in what they claim to address. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I presented 7 natural and organic tea brands that you will consider when you're in the market to stock up on healthy tea. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share so others wanting to find toxic-free, natural, and organic teas can discover this video. Subscribe for more health and nutrition videos, and until next time, take care.